Hello everyone, it's Fanny. Welcome back to Create by Fabi. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I have a 3 beautiful garland, easy to make for fall decor, and let's go ahead and get started. Here we're going to need some burlap, some paints, rollers and scissors, and also some brooches. So let's get started. So first what I did was use my roller and mark it and trace it a triangle, and then I cut it with my scissors, just like so. Next I grab my paints and create the color orange using the colors red and yellow, and that's what I did first. And then I started with the color white on the bottom of the triangle, and next was the orange, and on top was the yellow, just like so. So there you have a beautiful candy corn. So I finished the rest of the triangles, and then I grabbed some jar, and now I'm going to place it on the jar. So there I was looking where I was going to trace it, then I just flip over and to make it easy to glue it, just like so. Then with the same jar, I just twist it around on my hand or roll it in my hand a couple times, like 10 times, to create a tassel. So then I cut another small piece to tie it, and that will be also how we're going to tie it on the banner or garland, however you call it. Then I cut another small piece just to wrap it around on top. As you can see, to create the tassel, then I cut the bottom, and voila, there you have a beautiful tassel. So then I create a bunch, and then I start to put it out on the garland, just like so. And now for our second garland will be a neutral. So we're going to use some wood stickers, some lace ribbon from dollar store, some white paint, and also some burlap. So then I trace triangles on the burlap, and then I cut it off. Just like so. And then I grab some piece of jar, and then I'm going to be gluing it on it, just like so. So then I cut some small pieces of lace ribbon, and then I would be gluing it on in between of this triangle, as you can see. So when I'm done with that, then I just grab some wood stickers, and I use some white paint, and I painted just the leaves and pumpkin, just like so. Then I will be placing on the burlap. So I started leaving 2 at the end, just to make sure that we have enough stickers, or stickers, wood stickers. And then when I noticed that I have enough, so I finished the entire banner. And now for the last garland, we're going to use some twine, some burlap, scissors, and also some berries. So first I did was just cut like a small square, and then I used that as a stencil, and then I cut it all the same side, and then I just folded it once on the middle, and then I just cut it as a diagonal, creating something like that. Beautiful. Then I cut some piece of twine, and I also use a hot glue to place it on it, just like so. And next what I did, it was just grab some marker, and then I just write the word fall, and then I cut the berries, and I will be using those as the fillers for the letters. So first I just pull apart all the berries with the scissors, and then I start gluing all on top to the letters with the hot glue, just like so. Next I use a little bit of orange paint just to cover the imperfection of the berries. Then I grab some white paint just to color a little bit on the edges on the bottle, and then I will be using also some orange only for the edges, just like so. So that's it for today. There you have it, 3 beautiful garlands, and I really hope you guys enjoy it, and please let me know which one was your favorite one. And also, if you haven't subscribed, please hit the red button around here, and also hit the bell so you can get notifications every time I upload video and you won't miss anything. So see you guys next time. Bye bye.